Hello, I'm in a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to change your display settings here between miles and kilometers. So first you want to start the vehicle. This one's push start. So just wait for a moment for everything to load. And today we're going to use these up and down as well as right and left. So basically we'll go up or down as needed until you get to the speedometer. So just keep clicking through. So here's what the speedometer looks like. So I'm on that. I've been just pushing down this whole time. So now we're gonna use this right button as it displays there. Push that right arrow to go to kilometers, and then same again if you wanted it back to miles. That's it. That just changes your miles to kilometers. I hope this was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day.